Hey, it's me, Jamila from Buy Pink. I just wanted to pop on here real quick. I made a couple mistakes in doing the infusible ink. One, I forgot the butcher paper. Two, I my EasyPress was not big enough for the full image. So when I went to move it around, it had buckled. I'm not sure if it buckled because I didn't use the butcher paper. So I'm next time I try. I will make sure to use the butcher paper to see if that was the issue. But I'm definitely not 100% disappointed. This design would have been super dope had it come out the way I thought it would. Just let me go grab it. Be right back. So this is the shirt that I just did with the infusible inks. As you can see, like right here, and right here, you can kind of see the outline of the EasyPress, but it's still wearable. I'm definitely gonna wear it. It's not horrible by any means, but it's completely like it's dyed into the fabric. There's no um, lip or raise or anything, but you have it's completely infused into the fabric. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and I hope you learn from my mistakes. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. I have some pretty great things planned here in the near future. So I'm pulling the infusible ink out of the package, and the first thing I noticed that it feels kind of like cardstock. The one thing I did not like is that it was rolled into the package, and that made it kind of hard for me to get it to stick down on my mat, as you can see right here. So I cut out some of the time that it took me to get this thing placed down on this mat. The next thing I'm doing here is I'm sending it to my cutter. So now it's all cut out, and I weeding kind of I had a hard time finding my weeding tool. So I had to pull up the edge with something else and then come back and pull it apart. But weeding was actually pretty simple. The material feels like paper and kind of peels off like paper. Make sure that you have completely weeded your image. I noticed before I went to press on that I had a little piece left over. I put the white cardstock in between so that the ink from the transfer sheet, from the infusible ink sheet, does not bleed on to the other side. Before this step, make sure you preheat your fabric. But this right here is where I started making my mistakes. I should have used a heat press for this, and when we get to that part, I will tell you why. Oh, there I am, preheating it. And you want to heat your EasyPress to 185, and you're going to press for 4 seconds. My EasyPress was not big enough for my image. I have the 9x9 EasyPress, and this image was cut at about 11 inches. So press the image on completely. Now here comes my second. So my second mistake is I completely forgot about the butcher paper. Number 3 mistake is the fact that it's not big enough. So you'll see when I pull away the design that it kind of buckled or folded. And another thing is that Cricut does not recommend you use the towel. It recommends you use the EasyPress pad when you're pressing infusible inks with the EasyPress. You'll be able to see, you can see the ripples and folds there. I'm not sure if it would have been prevented by um, the if I had the mat, or if I used the bigger heat or bigger EasyPress. But you see where it started to buckle, it did not get ink on that area. Even though I'm not 100% disappointed in it, I do know what not to do next time. I hope this helps one of you guys.